Hi all. Uh, Welcome back to my channel. So it's a second March, second day of March month, and kind of like the proper preparation begins from today. Uh, Hope everyone is doing great. Hope everyone is putting required effort for gate exam, putting required effort for job preparation. So today I'm going to share what I've learned. Uh, so I have started with aptitude and computer networks. So for aptitude, I have been following. There is one channel for RS Agarwal, YouTube. So basically, they are solving the book. So it's good, like because book might be lengthy to see. So it is in the form of 41 videos. So I have started with first. So if you see, it's like features. They have discussed this features of quantitative book, and in section one there is arithmetic ability, which is also called as quantitative aptitude, and in section two there is data interpretation. Okay, so what they have suggested is like we need to learn table till 50, square till 50, cube till 30. And another thing he suggested was like we need to learn table in both the ways, not only one way, and one table each day in both the ways. Then 45 minutes for calculations. We need to practice adding 4-digit numbers. And most importantly, we should be doing calculation with timer. Okay, so this was the very first day of quantitative aptitude RS Agarwal, which was like discussing features of quantitative book and what are the prerequisites basically, like tables till 50, cube, square, cube till 50, 30. We need to remember that, we need to learn that. And again, the table in both way we need to prepare. Okay, this was for aptitude. And I've started with computer networks from like Maharevision of Ankit Doyla sir of an academy. It's a, I think, 20 hour, two parts of 20 hours, like 10 hour each. But I have decided to go with 30 minutes each day. Okay, not to overload ourselves, so that we'll get hang of it at least in this month one. So I've done 30 minutes of computer networks also, where you can see my notes I've made. Like, so I've started with, it's a basic what do you call IP addressing introduction, where they have told like regarding IPv4 address and their size, like 32-bit. Then we'll get the 2 raised to 32-bit addresses. Then what is class for address? Like it is 32 bits, but for class A, B, C, D, E, we'll get the number, like fixed number of bits that we need to remember. Like for class A, it's a 1 bit, class B 10, class C 110, class D 1110, class C 4 times 1. So there will be direct question to identify which class belongs to based on these bits. So this is classful addressing. Then again, range of IP addresses. And they have given like for class A, B, C, D, all the ranges like 1 to 126 will be A, and so on. I hope, like, I'm sure all are aware of this IP addressing range that you need to remember. Then second was after classroom, again default mask, and again you can remember what are the default masks for ABC classes. Then number of network ID, host ID, that also we can remember, it's easy. And then range of private IP address. What is self loop back address? Because there are direct question on this kind of address range, like 127.xy.yz, 127.x.y.z. So it's a loop back addressing, self connectivity also. So most important part of after learning these concepts are questions. So there are a few questions, like I told, right, there are some fixed bit for every class A, B, C, D, and from that we need to identify if it is class B, class C,